So right now is an amazing time to buy and sell. And today I'm here with my buddy Pete Humphreys at Independent Bank. We're going to talk about how low these dang interest rates are and why that's a positive thing for you. So don't go anywhere. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin Irwin. I'm a real estate agent here in West Michigan with RE/MAX United. On this channel, we go over everything and anything to do with living and thriving here in West Michigan. If you're new to the area, or maybe you lived here for your whole life and you're just looking for more information, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time we bring you another video out. Well, without further ado, we're gonna jump into today's topic. Pete, have you ever seen rates this low?
You know what, Kevin? I've been doing this for 25 years now for Independent Bank, and this is the lowest I've ever seen them. There was one other time where they were about the same kind of price point, but basically they are at a all-time low at the moment, which has been incredible, and it's actually been very unexpected.
Right.
You know, we think there's some pressure from the coronavirus scare with the stock market that's causing the bond market to have a lower yield, and that's what's caused the mortgage rates to suddenly drop. So we weren't really predicting this.
No, I mean, we were talking about it and we really had no idea that they were going to do this at all.
Yeah, so you know, what's it showing on the West Michigan real estate side? I mean, what are you seeing as far as customers, you know, opportunities here? You know?
So that's a great question, Pete. So right now, what I'm seeing is I've been working with a lot of buyer clients for a while that wanted to buy a house, but really what they really wanted was in a higher price point than they could afford as far as monthly payment goes. But with these rates being so low, what it's allowing them to do is bump up into that higher price range. Now the houses I'm taking them to see that they can afford because of rates, they're liking those houses a lot more, and we're able to get them, find them a house.
Yeah, and I suspect that's probably one of the biggest advantages of these rates being low, is it's going to give your buyer extra buying power. You know, it's going to give them more bang for their buck. They'll be able to get into a bigger house,
absolutely,
and keep their payments lower. So yeah. I think it's a great opportunity for everybody. If there's people that are sitting on the fence, you know, now would be a fabulous time to make a move.
I
you know,
totally agree. So now, what about, so not everybody's going to be ready to buy or sell right now, but maybe they've been in their house for a couple of years and they got like a 4.1, 4.25 rate. Like, what does it look like for those guys to be able to refinance? I mean, what kind of savings could they expect?
Yeah, and we are seeing lots and lots of refinance business at the moment, because most people are sitting at a slightly higher price point. So you know, it depends on their circumstances. Everybody's different. Some people just want that pure monthly savings, so they have a bit more budget every month, and that's fine. So we would do sort of a 30-year fixed refinance and try to drop the interest rate down. You know, other people are looking at shortening up the term. So that's where the true big savings is with a mortgage refinance, is if we can cut time off the loan. That's the real money. So, you know, a lot of people are taking a 30-year fix that might be in the 4s somewhere, and perhaps refinancing it to a 15-year fix that might be closer to 3%. And their payment might go up a little bit, but they've knocked off maybe 12 or 13 years from their payback, and it ends up being tens of thousands of dollars of savings by cutting the time off the loan. So there's lots of opportunities to save, as long as you're going to live in the house for a couple of years or so. You know, it's well worth looking at it. Yeah.
No, I mean, that is incredible. So really, guys, what we're trying to get across to you today is, if you're on the fence right now, we're not expecting these rates to really go anywhere. Obviously, we don't have a crystal ball. We can't really tell you if in 8 months down the road they're going to go up or down again. We don't really know that information. But what we are saying is, spring market's coming right around the corner. So if you have that little itch, like watching this video, like, ooh, I wonder where I'm at. You know, it's a conversation. Pete and I are very, very low pressure. So really all it starts as a conversation. We'll get in, we'll see where you're at, see what you want to do, and see if it's possible right now.
Yeah, it's just a phone call away. It doesn't take very long, and we can figure that out very easily with a chat over the phone. And yeah,
absolutely.
So exciting times.
It is. It is. really exciting times in 2020. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out to us, whether it's a phone call, a text message, an email, even if you have to send the smoke signal. We have your back when it comes to making a move here in West Michigan. We hope you have a great day.
Thank you.